Hi, today I'm going to talk about the Kuma Metal Mount Disk. All caravans and motorhomes are made of composite materials, which means that you can't place magnetic items on the roof. So if you want to have a temporary solution for mounting aerials or poles to mount antennas, you've only got one option: use a suction mount. Now, suction mounts are great when they're new, but unfortunately if you leave them in the sun and the rain, the plastics and the rubbers will invariably deteriorate and the suction will probably fail. So Kuma have come up with a permanent solution to allow you to mount magnetic based items to your caravan and your motorhome, so you can remove them when necessary. The Kuma Metal Mount Disk is basically an ultra thin, ultra light, rust proof metal disc. Weighs only 40 grams, comes in the box with very simple instructions. Glue, the sealant is included and sets rock hard. I'll demonstrate that later on in a little video we've got for you. And the disc itself. All you do, simply wipe the roof, clean it, apply the glue as per the instructions, fix the disc to the caravan or motorhome, wait overnight, and that's it, it's done. Then you can fit our magnetic based range of products, including the magpole, which you can use to mount your Kuma Wi-Fi kit antenna, Cosmos aerial, which as you can see is really stuck on there, or your matrix antenna as well. Again, really tight fit on the roof. Simply glue it on, attach any mag-based aerial or mount and remove it when necessary. A couple of people asked us, how strong is the magnet? So we made a very quick video in one of our factories just to show you what happens under braking and accelerating, and that video is coming up now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little short video just to show how strong the Kuma MMD is. And if you want to go and buy one, just Google or Amazon, type a search in Kuma MMD. Thanks for watching.